Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala's YouTube channel. Today we will discuss 21-day challenge, day 10 problem, reward. So let's take a look at the problem statement. So as our story proceeds, Vedant and Raj has reached in TSR farm and they completed the task given by TSR farmer. So they wanted to reward Vedant and Raj. So they came to know about two fruits, Gullaras and Jamgul. So what is the specialty of these two fruits is Gullaras enhance the magical skills by 1 unit and Jamgul increases the magical abilities by 2 units. So farmer offered them these two fruits. Now Vedant and Raj wanted to share these two fruits in a way that both of them increase their magical abilities by equal units. So in the input we have to take the input of test cases. Secondly, we have been given N and M, basically the number of Gullaras and the number of Jamgul. So how they are going to divide? If they can divide the magical abilities, then we will simply output yes, and if they can't, then we will output no. So how they are going to do this? So see, this is N and this is M. N is basically number of Gullaras and M is number of Jamgul. So in this one, what we can see that by in 2 Gullaras will increase the magical ability by 1 plus 2 Jamgul will increase the magical ability by 2. So basically magical ability will be 2 plus 4 is 6. So Raj and Vedant, what they are going to do this, they will share 3 and 3 magical abilities. They can share like this. Like basically how they are going to share this, on they will have 1 Gullaras and 1 Vedant will also have 1 Gullaras. Then they will have 1 Jamgul and another Vedant will also have 1 Jamgul. So and in this one they will they will have 1 into 1, basically Jamgul for Jamgul and for Gullaras, and for Jamgul it will be 3 into 2. So the total ability will be 7. So they can't divide 7 in both of them. And in this test case, what will happen? 4 into 1 and basically no Jamgul, so 0 into 2. So it will be 4. So basically they can divide this into among themselves. How they are going to divide this? Basically Raj will take 2 Gullaras and Vedant will also take 2 Gullaras. So this will be done, this is done. And in this one, what is going to happen? 1 plus 10 into 2, basically 21. So it is not possible to divide among Raj and Vedant. Also I can give you an edge case of, like what if I have N is equals to 10 and M is equals to 5. What will happen? Is it going to yes or no? So how we can see that? We will take 10 into 1, basically because Gullaras will increase the ability by 1 unit and another will increase the ability by 2 units. So the total will be 20. And yes, Vedant and Raj can divide this 20 among them equally by 10 and 10 ability. So this is how the logic works. So code accordingly. Happy coding.